Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Android widgets to customize your home screen. So, of course, if you're using Android, you can go to your Google Play Store to look for widget folder or anything that can help your widgets customize your widgets, such as KWGT custom widget. And there is also this folder widget. So this is KWGT widget maker. You can install this one, and another is I also recommend this a folder widget. All you have to do is go to your Play Store and then type folder widget. Install this one, the second one. Folder widget can help you customize your applications right here. If you want your home screen to be clean and well arranged, then you can install this one. All you have to do is to simply click this add widget, and then you can choose for large folder. You can tap 3 by 3, 3 by 2, 4 by 4. For a special large folder, you could also 3 plus 1. Actually, you can just select from any of these options right here for your widget. And after that, you can tap next. So once you have picked that specific folder for your applications here in your home screen, what you're going to do next is you can now customize your folder. You can add the application here if you want to add your CapCut, your Discord, if you want to add Drive, Facebook, Files, Gmail, or if you just want to add those applications that you often use, like you use every day. After you have added these applications, the next thing to do is you can select if it's 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 3 plus 4. This is what it looks like. You will see the result if you tap any of this option right here. And if you want to upgrade, if you want to use other features and options, you just have to upgrade your plan. And then here you can change the background of your folder. Folder color, you can change that. You just have to click and select that specific color right here. Also, with the folder image, if you want to add an image for your folder, for example, your image or other image is really fine. With corners and margins, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use this. Scroll down to see more features such as text type, paddings, and feel free to adjust the setting right here. After the background, you can also tap this T icon right here if you want folder name shadow, folder name action, folder name color, folder name font, and so on. So once you're okay with the result, all you have to do is to tap OK. You can add a name for your folder and then click this pin to home. Then you will see the result. And this is the advantage of using this folder widget. It can customize, it can arrange, it can make your home screen way better. So all you have to do is to add these applications inside or put it inside the folder widget. Talking about the widget that is built into your Android, you could also customize this by tapping and then select the specific applications that you want to see on your home screen. For example, this one, you can add word clock if you want. You just have to click or tap this plus icon right here. And for example, if you want other applications or this format right here layout, you can just simply, change Word, PDF, Excel, PPT. You can change that. Everything is up to you. You can add other applications right here. And you can also remove this. But I strongly suggest to look for other applications such as the KGWT and folder widget to customize your applications or customize your home screen. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.